Alright, so I'm making breakfast slash lunch, more like brunch, in the Travel Buddy oven, and my buddy the magpie is over here waiting for a free feed. He's going to be waiting for a little bit. Now I've got one of the Sommerville sheet metal works trays here, and I think this is going to be good. Yep, here's my toasties, they're looking nice. Alright, bit of chaos in here. Let's see if we can serve these up. Get one of these under here. Ooh. Probably could have used a bit longer, but still they look alright. Take a photo for the groups. Alright, but yeah, I'm ready to eat them. Alright, these are salami, ham and matured tasty cheese. Now turn our oven off, and I'll put this back in there so it's in a heat safe area, and I've put a foil underneath this trivet so it makes cleaning a little easier. Gotta watch that thermal expansion. It'll lock itself on there. Magpie hasn't taken off, he's happy to hang around. Alright, for ham and cheese toasties for the morning. Alright, that'll be good.